In this tutorial, we will learn how to change the color of a dress or any other object in just 1 minute. First, select the objects layer, then click on the adjustment layer and select hue and saturation. Now click on the hand tool and pick a color you want to change in the picture. Move the sliders according to your needs. Make sure to clip mask the layer. If you don't know how to do clip masking, then watch our clip masking short tutorial, which links will show up in the I button and also be given in the description box. There we go. Thanks for watching.